guys, what is up? It is CloudNineSlimery and I'm back here with another video. Today we're going to be doing, as you can tell by the title, a slime room tour. Of course, this isn't my full slime room. It's my bedroom, but it's been taken over by slime. So let's get started. Also, I'm holding a freaking light, so yeah, let's get started. First, when you start over by the door, you have my tripod just chilling there. And then you turn over here and you have my couch. So on top, we just have some empty containers, and down here on the bottom are just slimes that are chilling in some containers. So when you first look at my slime shelf, kind of packed. Up top, we have some packing stuff. So we have some packing stuff, obviously, and then in this little container, we have my goodie bags, a little thing my friend made with my name on it, picture of my boyfriend and I, some more packing stuff, and just some little extra cute things, I don't know. Over here we have more packing stuff and just random add-ins of slime, or honestly just random stuff. Coming down here, we have some slimes that are in my shop. Same with over here, except there's some other things that are in my shop, like sprinkles and stuff. Coming right here, these are also some things in my shop. Mystery 2-ounce duos. Some little instant snow packets. Over here we have candy. Down here we have flown beads and then just other add-ins. In this bin we have packing stuff. And here we have some stamps, and then up here are just some random slimes that I have. These two bottom bins are completely random things, so I'm not even going to show you. Also have some boxes right here. Back in here we have some glue and some Staflo. And here we have borax and more packing things. Slimes that I need to film, and obviously some little ghost charms that I made. Containers that I don't really use. Scent and food coloring, and then some Daiso, and then Daiso that's already been opened that's in containers. Down here in the bottom are just some random glues that I have already opened. So coming over here, we have my jukebox, two big totes. They all have slime supplies in it. My light and my scale. So moving over here, we have candy to go in little baggies. Bigger extras like squishies, glitters, and homemade bath bombs. Slimes, and more slimes. Coming down here, we have a bunch of containers. Over here we have more containers, and then some add-ins like Java chips. This bottom one actually does not have slime stuff in it. Over here we have add-ins to slime like jelly cubes, things to film slime videos with, and bunch of cute glitters and pigments. Over here we have where I film. Obviously you have my light here, some borax, my slime palette that you will see on my Instagram, a pin, and my phone case. Over here on the window, we have some extra ingredients like snow powder and some shaving cream and some sprinkles. Coming down here to my Alex drawers from IKEA. And here we have a bunch of add-ins like gems, beads, etc. And here we have more charms. I'm going to organize these eventually, but right now we just have them chilling in here. These are some like homemade stuff that I made a long time ago. Gotten a little bit better at it now. But yeah, just some cute little charms. This one is empty. Next we have add-ins to slime like lotion and some mixing utensils and cornstarch. Down here we have more add-ins to slime, fishbowl beads, flown beads, microflown beads, sugar beads, you name it. Coming over here, you have my bed. You have a mirror. Hey, how you doing? You have a big bag of marshmallow foam beads. And then these are some old slimes that I'm going to be turning into a slime smoothie. And there's my closet with makeup, so it doesn't have much slime stuff in it. It's a mess over there. And here you are, back where you started. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. And I know it was kind of a short one, which is probably a good thing because my last video was like almost 30 minutes long. So I really did hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you come check out my shop. It'll all be linked down below. Of course, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and become part of the hashtag CloudNineSlimery squad. Anyways, I'm going to be going to Slime Circus. It is in New Jersey. Definitely check it out. It's on October 7th, I believe, 2018, and I'm going, and I'm so excited. I'm not going to be selling, but I'm going to be going, so hurry up and get your tickets if you want to come meet me or any awesome Slimers that will be there. Definitely come check it out, and I will see you guys then. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
You make the confusion go all the way from the top.